What's going on, guys? Brandon here with Traxxas, and in today's video we will be bashing our Traxxas Slash at the skate park.
You wanna be tough, better do what you can, so beat it. But you wanna be bad, just beat it, beat it, beat it. No one wants to beat it.
So as you can tell, this is not the body that I filmed the edit with. And that's because, as I mentioned before, this car is brand new. We literally went to buy it earlier today. And because of that, we haven't had time to shoe glue, tape, or do really anything to the body. Nice. So right off the bat, we're realizing, oh my gosh, look at that. That's a beauty. Right off the bat, we realize this thing is just so underpowered. I mean, that brush system right there, absolute garbage, which we knew about, we knew it would be, and the plan is to brushless swap it pretty much as soon as possible. So if there's a company out there who wants to send us a brushless system, we'll absolutely do that. This thing does love to slide though. Once those tires just get a little wet, super easy. Nice. I don't know. The brush slash, not too bad, I'd say. Obviously, I love my brushless Slash. It's way better. They're both two-wheel drive. I only ended up buying this one because I found a Typhon Mega on sale on Marketplace, and I decided to pull the trigger and buy it. And the guy mentioned that he has a Slash that's for sale too, and once I saw the price, I just had to get it. Let's just launch this thing out. Fine. The other thing that we already knew about this car is that the servo is just garbage. It does not have nearly enough power, which it is what it is. It's a cheap plastic servo, which is what it comes with stock. But we have an upgraded one that I'm sure we're going to be throwing in there any day now. Oh yeah. That's sick. Now, I haven't actually checked what gearing this Slash is running on. I would assume it's a stock, but really you never know.
A little more.
There we go.
Left, if I can.
Oh yeah.
Is this thing waterproof?
Yeah, it's relatively waterproof. I mean,
You worried about it?
I'm not worried about it. We have a second brush system at home, the same Traxxas stock one with the Titan motors, so it is what it is if we wreck this one. Plus, we're not keeping it anyway. This body is actually so clapped, it's insane. Held together by zip ties and hopes and prayers. That's about it. That's why we love it though. This is one of the original bodies that we got. Zero power once the tires are this wet. Some cool drifting though. We're lucky it's a nice day. Not afraid of getting a little rainwater on us.
When you're in the water, you just cannot steer whatsoever.
Giving them some free pressure washing. Except it's just in the shape of donuts, that's all. It is what it is. Now, what do you guys think we should do with this Slash? I'm really open to anything. We have two-wheel drive Slashes. So, if you have any ideas, just let us know. And now I'm not even gonna say anything about what I won't do with it, because the last time Josh did that, it was with his trash stampede. He said no fire and no water. And maybe we'll pull up a video or a picture. But he ended up burning the body, like burning the whole car. I've had enough with this thing. And we ended up water skipping it too. Looks like we either unplugged or we broke it. We're about to find out. Let's see. Oh yeah, we're good. We just unplugged, that's it. This battery is getting soaked, jeez. All right, we're all plugged in and ready to go. Right about there is probably good. Nice. This thing is just a boat. Speaking of, we should get an RC boat. That'd be fun. This car came with the stock tires too, but they're a little beat, torn down and all that. Yes, sir. Here we go. Let's just chuck it up there. Decent little air for a two-wheel drive brushed car. It's not so bad. If you want a comparison video between the brush Slash and the brushless Slash, let me know. We'll have to do that. Honestly, I'm kind of impressed. This little guy isn't doing too bad. Alright, that one was an accident, but now we're gonna try an actual backflip. I bet that the Typhon would be able to do it. Just because the front wheels on the Typhon stick out in front of the body. Like, the bumper is, if the bumper on the Typhon is where it was, the wheels are like up here. I will say, there's a reason that we keep a bash body. Because who cares if it's all scratched up and cracked? Doesn't matter to us. Sounded like the spur gear was slipping, the pinion gear. Oh! Dude, that is what you call wall. Now it's unplugged.
I was hoping I'd be able to launch it over.
Oh, wait, hold on. Our zip ties, no! They're coming undone. What are we gonna do without them? Can't even go in a straight line if you wanted to. I have to come back on a day where it's not so wet for that one. Yes, sir, big air. That's what we like to see.
The mid-air control is pretty pretty difficult on this one. Way easier on the Armor Granite, Vortex, pretty much anything else.
So underpowered. If the grass is just a little bit too long for it, it's got nothing. But for a cheap car, who cares? Just use it on the concrete. Oh, look at that. Body is getting significantly worse.
Buddy.
Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, that is all rear bumper.
Almost there. One more time. Oh, dang it. There it is.
Yes, sir. Keeping the grass where it's supposed to be. I don't know, these Amazon tires really aren't that bad. Oh yeah, there we go. Dude.
Oh, I didn't know that was still there.
You get it.
I think we better just tape these shut, honestly. I mean,
Wrong way. Honestly, we just need to start taping our plugs together. I mean, who cares at this point?
all right, we'll be back running in a minute.
Honestly, we're just gonna need to invest in some zip ties because this, yikes, that's not good. But why would anybody want to pay 40 bucks for a new body that this is just gonna happen to all over again? Granted, this one's like probably close to 11 years old, so at a certain point, zip ties is just the way to go. It's been a long time since I've driven a two-wheel drive brush slash, but it's not that bad. I feel like it's, oh yes, there we go. Look at that, got the bumper underneath the bar.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, just give it a nice little kick to get it loose. I feel like it's similar to what a brushless Stampede would be like when it's not running late though, when it has nickel metal high drive batteries. I feel like it's similar. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of today's video because our battery's dead. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for our 10,000 subscriber journey. Pretty solid car, I'd say.
Once again.